Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing features available on this device. First of all, open Settings. Then you need to scroll all the way down and choose System and Updates. Following that, choose Language and Input, tap on Celia keyboard, and finally click on Input section over here. As you can see, all typing features are located here. In order to switch on or off one of them, just click on the switcher next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!